Hi guys, it's Tyson from Bucars RV, the sales manager here. Just wanted to give you a rundown of a very special and unique motorhome. This is a 2025 Tiffin Allegro bus, 45 FP. This one was heavily modified. I'm going to show you a couple unique features, but first off, the most important part is this is personally signed by Bob and Judy Tiffin, straight from the Tiffin factory in Red Bay, Alabama. Alright, so here we are on the outside with the most obvious feature of this mobility motorhome is the flip down wheelchair ramp. Fully automatic, remote control. This is professionally installed and professionally customized for this exact motorhome. It's a Braun Ability brand wheelchair lift, and it's pretty seamless. There we are. And then back up again. Very easy to use. You can use this with the slide in or the slide out. Alright, so this motorhome, just like any other Tiffin motorhome, is all luxury finishings. We have the Canyon Cherry cabinets. We have the LG appliance suite with the convection microwave and the fridge. You get your induction cooktop for easy cooking. You have your pull-out dishwasher. Wash all your dishes. Very nice size counter space and dual sinks. And then you have your raised panel fridge, which matches very nicely with the Canyon Cherry wood in the cabinets here. Ice maker and water dispenser in this here. A couple cool features on this side for the customization is electronic gate valves. So that basically opens up your black tank and your gray tank at the push of a button. There's also buttons on the outside for that as well. So that's a very nice feature that was completely customized at the factory for that. You do feature your half bath in here. Very good size. And then as we go back into the bedroom, we have your electric tilt king bed. This was actually customized with radius corners so you can roll the wheelchair through here for any wheelchair user. Moving back here into the bathroom. Another custom feature of this was no cabinets underneath the sink, so you can roll right up to that. A little bit easier getting ready. A huge shower with a seat in there. Moving to the back, we have our combo washer dryer. Quick and easy, one machine, washes and dries. And of course we have our clothes storage back here with the closet and shoe storage. Okay, so here we are in the exterior of this 2025 Allegro bus. Here's what it looks like with the ramp door closed. You have this nice Generation 14 Tiffin paint scheme. They paint all their coaches in-house. A couple other features on the outside. We have 2 power storage trays, 1,000-pound capacity on both of those. Very nice exterior entertainment system with the LG TV and soundbar. Another thing to note on this motorhome is the full Girard awning package with slide toppers. It's a very, very nice feature. All your thick baggage doors coming back here. This is built on a Power Glide chassis, which is Tiffin's specialty. Tag axle motorhome, steerable tag axle. Moving back here, we do have an egress door as well for emergencies. Walking around the back here, the very recognizable Tiffin Allegro bus rear end cap. Very high-end finishings. Very nice exterior paint. You do get a telescopic ladder that hooks on the top there so you can access the roof at any time. Moving along here, we have window awnings across most of the awnings on this coach. A couple things to mention on this side that were customized. So we have an AquaHot hydronic heating system here. In this next compartment, we have our wet bay with electronic gate valves. There is a button on the outside for these as well as on the inside. There is the one water filtration system there. It has also been customized with an additional triple stage water filtration system. You get dual access to these power slide trays that go in and out at the push of a button on the outside in both of these compartments. And then this one was also ordered with the upgraded battery package, which is 6 6-volt AGM batteries. So lots of power for this guy. Moving on to the front, we have a pull-out Cummins Onan generator off the front here. Your very recognizable Tiffin front cap. And that brings us to the end of the walkthrough. Once again, this is Tyson from Bucars RV, showcasing the 2025 Tiffin Allegro bus 45 FP.